Most people think they know how to save money on fuel. They've heard it from their parents, friends, or even random strangers at the gas station. But what if many of those so-called fuel-saving tips were completely wrong? In this video, we're breaking down 9 dumb fuel myths that people still believe. And if you're doing even one of these, you could be wasting money, hurting your car, or even risking a breakdown. Let's dive straight into the first one. Myth 1. Premium fuel is better for your car. A lot of people think that putting premium fuel in their car is like giving it a boost of power or making it run smoother. It's easy to believe. Premium sounds, well, premium. But here's the truth. If your car doesn't require premium fuel, you're just burning extra cash for no reason. Most regular cars are designed to run perfectly fine on regular unleaded fuel. Using premium won't clean your engine, improve mileage, or give you extra horsepower. The only time you need premium is if your car's manufacturer recommends or requires it, usually for turbocharged or high compression engines. And even then, it's about preventing knocking, not increasing performance. Myth 2. Warming up your car for 10 minutes saves fuel. On cold mornings, some drivers let their cars idle for 10 minutes or more, thinking they need to warm up the engine. But unless you're driving a classic from the ADS, this is completely outdated. Modern engines are designed to warm up quickly while driving, not sitting in the driveway. Idling for too long just wastes fuel and releases unnecessary emissions. In fact, most manufacturers say you only need 30 seconds to a minute, just enough to get the oil moving. After that, just drive gently for the first few minutes, and you're good to go. Myth 3. Fuel from brand name gas stations is better. Some people swear that fuel from major brand gas stations, like Shell, Chevron, or BP, is better than the cheaper stations. They'll drive out of their way just to fill up at a certain logo. But here's the thing. All gas stations get their fuel from the same base suppliers. What makes the difference is the additive package each brand uses. Sure, some premium brands might include a few more detergents to help clean your engine, but the difference is minimal for most drivers. Unless your car is super picky, your engine won't know the difference. What's more important, clean tanks and fresh fuel? A dirty or low turnover gas station, no matter the brand, could give you problems. Myth 4. Air conditioning wastes more fuel than driving with the windows down. This myth has been around forever, and it's the cause of plenty of sweaty road trips. The idea is simple. Using the air conditioner puts extra load on the engine, which burns more fuel. Meanwhile, rolling down the windows is free. But is that really how it works? The answer is, it depends. Yes, air conditioning does use extra energy. When you turn it on, your engine has to work harder to power the AC compressor, which can slightly lower your fuel economy, but the effect isn't as dramatic as many people think. Depending on the car, running the AC might use between 0.2 to 0.5 liters of fuel per hour, which is a small difference, especially at higher speeds. But now let's look at open windows. When you're driving slowly, say under 40 miles per hour, the extra drag caused by open windows is minimal. But once you hit highway speeds, those open windows start to disrupt the aerodynamics of your car. This creates air resistance or drag, which makes your engine work harder to maintain speed. So at higher speeds, driving with the windows down can actually burn more fuel than running the AC. The faster you go, the worse the drag becomes. Myth 5. Filling up in the morning gives you more fuel. This myth is surprisingly common. The idea is that fuel is denser in the morning when it's cooler, so if you fill up early, you get more gas for your money. Sounds smart, right? But here's the catch. Underground fuel tanks at gas stations are insulated. They don't change temperature that fast. The difference between morning and afternoon fuel temperature is so small, it won't save you any real money, maybe a cent or two at most. So unless you just enjoy waking up early, don't bother setting your alarm to beat the sun to the gas station. Myth 6, you have to change your oil every 3,000 miles. For years, drivers were told to change their oil every 3,000 miles, almost like it was law. And While that might have been true decades ago, modern engines and synthetic oils have changed the game. Most modern cars can easily go 5,000, 7,500, or even 10,000 miles between oil changes. Some high-end synthetics go even further. Instead of sticking to an outdated number, just follow the recommendation in your car's manual. The oil change industry may not love this tip, but your wallet definitely will. Yes. 7, topping off the tank gives you more fuel. Everyone's done this. The pump clicks, but you squeeze a few more drops into the tank, thinking you're getting every last cent out of your fill-up. But guess what? Topping off the tank can actually harm your car. Modern fuel systems are designed to shut off when the tank is full. Adding more fuel can overflow into the vapor recovery system, damaging components and even causing the check engine light to come on. Not only are you risking repairs, you're also not gaining any extra usable fuel. Once it's full, it's full. Myth 8. Cruise control saves you fuel no matter what. Cruise control is great for long highway drives, but it's not always the fuel saver people think it is. Here's why. On hilly roads, cruise control can actually burn more fuel because it works to maintain a constant speed. That means it'll aggressively accelerate uphill, where a human driver might ease off a bit and let momentum carry the car naturally. So yes, cruise control can help on flat highways, but if the road gets uneven or traffic is stop and go, it could be better to drive manual. Myth 9. Running on empty isn't a big deal. A lot of drivers push their fuel tanks to the limit. Maybe it's out of convenience, maybe they're just risk takers, or maybe they believe that running low doesn't hurt anything. But here's the truth. Frequently running on empty can damage your fuel pump. The pump sits inside the tank and uses the fuel as both a lubricant and a coolant. When the level is low, the pump can overheat and wear out faster. Replacing it isn't cheap. Plus, running out of gas is just not a great situation to be in, especially if you're far from help or in the middle of traffic. Most of these myths come from a time when cars were simpler, fuel was cheaper, and technology hadn't caught up yet. But cars today are smarter, and drivers need to be smarter too. The truth is, a lot of these so-called tips are just leftovers from the past. They sound logical, but they're either outdated or flat out wrong. So if you've believed any of these myths before, don't feel bad, you're not alone. But now that you know the truth, you can drive smarter, save more money, and maybe even help a few friends avoid these mistakes too. If this video saved you even a few bucks at the pump, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more surprising breakdowns just like this. And if you've heard any other weird fuel myths, drop them in the comments. We might just bust them in the next video. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.